Hello student, this lecture is for grade 7 science and today we will continue chapter number 2 nutrition in animals and the topic which we will discuss today is nutrition in humans part 2. And to continue we will take a quick recap of our last lecture what we have learnt. So student, this is our digestive system which is also known as alimentary canal. Our digestive system is consist of mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. And it has some glands which help in the process of digestion by secreting digestive juice from them. Now let's start the process of digestion. The digestion of food start in mouth. Mouth has teeth, tongue and salivary glands. Salivary glands secrete saliva in our mouth to digest the carbohydrate present in our food. By the action of teeth and tongue, the big particles of food converted into small particles of food, and after chewing the food properly, the food is pushes into esophagus, food pipe. Food pipe is not any process is there, but only engulfing of food is done in food pipe or esophagus. Now food enters in stomach. Stomach has mucus, hydrochloric acid and some gastric juices which help to food convert into simpler substances. Here hydrochloric acid kills foreign particles come with food. The mucus secreted in stomach protect the inner lining of stomach. And the digestive enzymes present in stomach also help to convert the food into simpler material by digestion process. After the processing on food in stomach, food is converted into a semi-liquid form which is known as chyme. In small intestine, by the digestive juices, the digestion process completed and absorption process also takes place in small intestine. With the help of finger-like projection present in small intestine known as villi. So, small intestine is the site for completion of digestion as well as for absorption of digested food. After absorption, the remaining undigested food enters in large intestine, and in large intestine the reabsorption of water and minerals have done. And after the processing in large intestine, the undigested remaining food get stored in rectum, and from rectum it has removed from the body by the help of anus part in the form of semi-solid feces. It is all about digestion process in humans. Now we will discuss the absorption process of digested food in humans. As I have told you, after completion the digestion process in small intestine also the site for absorption of that digested food. And the simpler form of digested food get absorbed by these villi present in small intestine by the process known as diffusion. And by the action of these villi, the digested food directly enters into bloodstream, and after absorption process the food get mixed with bloodstream, and by assimilation process it reaches on that places where it is needed to get energy. So students, we have completed 4 stages of nutrition in human process which are ingestion, digestion, absorption and assimilation. Now we will discuss the 5th step of nutrition in humans which is egestion. So as you know, food that is digested will be absorbed from the intestine into blood, and undigested food enters into large intestine, where after reabsorption of water and minerals from undigested food, the undigested food enters into rectum part and get collected there for some time. And after it, the undigested food is passed out through the body with the help of the organ known as anus, and this is egestion process. Now we will discuss nutrient digestion site as well as digestive juices. So digestion of carbohydrates starts in mouth with the help of saliva secreted by salivary glands in mouth. The next site for nutrient digestion is stomach. Stomach secreted mucus, hydrochloric acid and digestive juices and responsible for the digestion of protein. The last third site for nutrient digestion is small intestine. Small intestine has intestinal juices, pancreatic juices from pancreas and bile juices from gallbladder, and are responsible for digestion of carbohydrates, proteins and fats. So it is all about nutrition process in humans. Hope you have learnt it. Thank you.